Hey guys, what's up? So, one, you may notice I'm not at the garage. There's been a lot of that going on here lately. This is actually the bedroom that I spent from my freshman year until I moved out of my parents' house living in. And so as you can see, it's empty. So, a lot of the house is empty right now because I've been spending the last couple weekends helping them move out, so we've not had as much garage time. I've been working on my house, and I know you guys have heard that story before. But so what's going on is I'm behind. I haven't had a whole lot of stuff that I've been working on, so I've not been able to stay ahead like we usually like to stay a month ahead. That's not been happening. And currently I'm filming on my old GoPro because well, it's easier to bust it out right now because everything going on. So what I am going to do is I'm not going to leave you guys without any kind of videos. So I've got some old stuff that I'm going to dig up. For those of you that don't know, and some people who know me personally know that the wrench benders thing started, but I've been tinkering at the garage for a long time. And I do have videos of older stuff, and I've even got some stuff that was filmed on VHS. So when you watch it, it's going to have the tracking lines in it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to, in order to give you guys content, I'm going to post some videos of some older stuff that I have, and kind of throw some highlights in there. And for the next little bit, in order to stay ahead, in order to keep posting like we have been, I'm going to post some old Fiero stuff, and I'm going to post some racing lawnmower stuff because I used to do that. So I'm going to dig up some stuff that I've held back for a little while, and we'll see what's out there. So for the next couple months, because, you know, we are about ready to go on vacation, because that's happening too. So that's another reason why I'm going to be behind. And then, of course, you know, we're getting a lot closer to me moving into my house, and that's taken up a lot of my time. And the grass is finally start to quit growing because, you know, I mow like 8 to 10 acres every week. So things are going to start winding down to where the garage is going to be someplace I can spend more time, and we'll get things going. But this has kind of been a big year for me as far as our family, as far as things going on. You guys know that Adam moved to Texas on us. You know, mom and dad's moving out of their house and moving into a smaller house, and I'm trying to finish my house, and there's been some other life changes that's affected our family. That it's been a crazy year. So a couple things to note. There will be a trophy for the Beaver Oktoberfest. So if you guys are from around this area and you want to come to Beaver for the Oktoberfest and want to see if your vehicle is good enough for a Wrench Benders Award, and we don't pick the shiniest stuff, just so you know, I am going to have a trophy built for the Beaver Oktoberfest. So that is happening. And there'll be some pictures of it. I'll try and put them on social media. That way everybody knows what it is before the day of. But it won't be very long before the day of. I'll kind of hold that in because, you know, I got to get creative. I'm not going to share too much of it before I call it done. So I'll end this. We'll get some old videos posted and keep you guys something to watch for a little bit. But just hang with us for a few months. We'll get back on it. The truck, my personal Duramax has to get done. And then I really want to get back on the International. So hopefully about November, December, things are back to normal, and we're posting videos like we should. So thanks for watching. As always, hit that subscribe button. If you guys are more interested in some of what's going on in our personal life, I can't film much about building my house. Mainly because my wife doesn't want that on social media, and I don't necessarily blame her. I'm mainly filming this here because as of here in a few days, mom and dad no longer own this house. So it's somebody else's house. So if you want to know more about what's going on with us personally and the other stuff we're working on that's not necessarily at the garage, let us know in the comments. If you want to see stuff that we do from day to day. Now, that's not necessarily a Wrench Benders thing, but we can post pictures on social media and stuff. So once again, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys later. Hey, the good news is with everything going on is the garage is behind me here. And even though mom and dad are selling the house and they're not going to live there anymore, They're gonna live there. So it's bright outside today. I got one eye closed. Probably not working real good with the, but anyways, there, that's a little better. Get the light back on this way. So yeah, garage is right next door to them now. So the garage is still on their property, and we're still in business. So them selling the house hasn't affected any of that. So we'll hopefully see you guys later.